Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and delete your Facebook account after a new update by Facebook right there your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will go ahead and simply step into our video. If you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your Facebook app, and once your app is open, go ahead, tap on your profile icon given below. Go ahead, tap on it. Now you will again tap on the settings icon given above, tap on it, and now tap on your account center given. Then you will be able to find this personal details option. Go ahead, tap on that one. Tap on this account ownership and control option. Then you will be able to find deactivation or deletion option. Tap on it. Choose your Facebook account. Tap on this delete account. Tap on this continue. Now if you have a connected page, you will get this kind of interface. Tap on continue again. Choose a reason why you want to delete your account. Continue. And now you will see this option another. What you can do is after that you tap on continue, you will have another page. Then you will get another this information. Then you will have another continue option. If you tap on this continue option, then you will have to enter your password right there, and you will be able to delete your account from Facebook right there permanently. So yes guys, this is the way, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yes, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.